Hello dolls and welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? How you doing? We're gonna see how we do this halo eye really quick. Brows are done already. So I'm just gonna show you quickly how I do this simple and easy halo eye. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and we're gonna get right into it. So the very first thing we're going to do is prime our eyes with this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. For the most part, I do like using this, but I am going to try to find a really good eyeshadow primer. But for now, this works. There are better, but this works. So I'm going to apply it and then just blend it in with my finger, and then I'm going to set it with my it'll come up on the screen shortly. Well, who am I smiling at? Probably my boyfriend. I was probably on FaceTime. So just blending that in with my finger, and then I'm gonna set it, yes, with my Meron setting powder. I got this off of Amazon, so I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description below. Everything that I'm using for this makeup look is very affordable, and also doing a halo eye is pretty easy. It really is easy. So I'm using my Impress You palette by Glazed Beauty. I'm gonna also have a link to that in the description box below. You can purchase it off of Amazon. It's like $10. It's supposed to be a dupe of the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to put that, I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to put that above my crease, that purple color, and I kind of create like a V shape at the end of my eyes just to accentuate the shape of my eyes, but do what works for you. So I'm just putting that above my crease and blending that out with a fluffy brush. And then I'm going in with my Mary Kay eyeshadow in Raisin just to kind of deepen that purple a little bit. So I'm gonna kind of put it underneath, like just creating some dimension and some layers. So I'm gonna kind of put it underneath, like closer to my crease, but not on my crease still, if that makes sense. Just to deepen up that purple and add some dimension. If you want, you don't have to use wow, where's my English? You don't have to use such a shimmery shade on your lids. You could use more of a matte purple or any other color. I'm just kind of showing you how simple and easy it is to do a halo eye. So now with my finger, I'm going into this green right here. So pretty, right? Pigmented and pretty. And I'm just slapping that right in the middle of my eye. And that's what's going to create that halo eye effect, or halo eye in general. So I'm just taking my finger and sticking that right in the middle of my eyelid, kind of where your eyeball is, if that makes any sense. Just with my finger, just sweeping it down in a downward motion. And then I'm going in with this Laura Geller highlighter in gold, and I'm going to place that right on top of that green just to add a bit of shimmer and some dimension, and just kind of tone down that green but not allow the green to disappear. We're all doing this for dimension and depth. Kind of a Mardi Gras type of eye look. Definitely not for every day, but it's cute. And then I'm taking the remainder of that purple, that Mary Kay purple that I had on my brush, and I'm just putting that on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyelid. So not in the same place that I put my purple color on top, but on the outer corner and the inner corner. And then I'm going in with this darker purple from my Carity palette, which I also purchased from Amazon. I'll leave a link to that below. And I'm just layering that on top of where I put that remainder purple. And then I'm using my finger. I need to work on making sure that I'm in frame so y'all can really see what I'm doing, because my mirror is under my camera, so I'm gonna have to change up my setup. I'm definitely gonna try to do that in my next couple of videos, and hopefully it makes a difference. So I'm just going back into that green color because it got a little lost when I was putting in that purple in the outer and inner corner. So just to bring it back to life, I'm gonna bring that green back. So I'm just making sure that it matches the first eye that I did. And blending, of course, is essential, so make sure you blend those colors together a little bit, not a lot, because you don't want the green to mesh too much into the purple and get lost, and you don't want the purple to overshadow the green. So now I'm just going to do the rest of my face. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal and Beautiful Bronze, putting that under my eyes. And that's pretty much the final look. I didn't really show you how I did foundation because I am going to come with a full foundation tutorial so you can see how I apply my foundation. On my lips, I'm using this purple shade. I will leave a link to that video about these lipsticks in the description. But that's pretty much the look. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I use that same NYX jumbo pencil in white, and I put that on my waterline, and I took that same purple from the Impress palette and just put that under my eye, so under the under part of my eye. I can't speak. So just gonna put a little highlight. So I created this highlight all on my own. I'm thinking that I should do a video of how I make my own highlights. If you want that, let me know in the comments below, and I can definitely try to do that for y'all. And I have 70 subscribers. I'm so excited. So if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe, because my little doll family is growing and it's very exciting. Very, very exciting. So thank you. So just a little highlight, because you know the eyes are a bit strong, so you don't want the highlight to be too overbearing. And I'm just setting my face with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Setting Spray, which is amazing. Also purchased off of Amazon. And I'm just going in with the same Laura Geller gold highlight and just putting that a little bit on top just to make it pop just a little bit. I didn't want to do too much of a highlight because, you know, the face is already very bright and strong and pretty. So let me know if you like this look, if you like what I've created. Oh girl, the eyelashes wasn't all the way on, sis. What happened? That is the final look. I hope that you guys like it. Please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, join the doll family. Thank you so much for watching. Love, peace, and everything in between. Bye.